You're watching ABC4 Utah's Good Morning Utah.
Welcome back. Well, we're already seeing snow in Utah, and with that comes some pretty fun winter sports and activities, but it also brings in the potential for injury. And here to talk about preventing and treating those winter injuries is Dr. Brett Richards from the Ogden Clinic. Dr. Richards, thanks for coming in this morning.
Oh, absolutely. Thank you for having me, Glenn.
What are some of the things you see this time of year as we get out skiing, snowboarding, and at some point we'll be shoveling snow too?
Right.
What do you see?
So the injuries vary that we see here at Ogden Clinic. A lot of them are fracture related with the skiing and snowboarding injuries. We also see a lot of low back pain and low back strain with shoveling snow. And then we see a number of hand injuries with snowblower accidents.
You say one of the most important things is, especially if you're skiing and in the backcountry and snowmobiling, you have to be prepared.
Absolutely. Be prepared, both from the standpoint of physical fitness, but also from the standpoint of equipment. So knowing your equipment, knowing how to use your equipment. There's a number of free avalanche courses that you can take, and that's really the biggest thing. Being able to check the weather, make sure to know what the avalanche risk is going to be before you go out. Make sure that your family knows where you're going and when you expect to be back.
When it comes to shoveling snow, you know, if you're out using the shovel, I'm sure you get a lot of back injuries. Even heart conditions sometimes can really be aggravated with that.
Absolutely. So you really want to pace yourself when you go out. You know, we talked about kind of warming up before you get out there and shovel the snow.
Good idea, because it really is strenuous. I mean, you're in effect exercising.
It is. It's exercise. And so for those of us that are weekend warriors, that we don't do much exercise during the week, we can be prone to injury when we get out there and do those activities. So pace yourself, limit how much you do at one time, really kind of warm up before you do those activities. Really with snow shoveling, you should push more than you lift.
Okay.
Take smaller amounts of snow, because snow can be heavy when it's compacted.
Absolutely.
And pick the snow up and place it as opposed to trying to pitch it. It's the twisting where you can really strain your back.
That makes sense. And you made one great point with the snow blowers to when you go to clean those out.
Right.
Even if it's turned off, don't stick your hand down in the chute there.
Absolutely. If you get a jam in your snow blower, even if the machine is turned off, those blades have kinetic energy, and if you stick your hand in to release that snow, those blades can recoil, and that's where the injuries happen. So please do not try to disimpact it with your hand. Use a stick, broomstick, anything that's long. Even if you use something short and stick your hand, the blades can grab that and pull your hand in.
Can get you down in there.
Absolutely.
Dr. Richards, we appreciate you joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Be careful as we get into the winter season.
Absolutely.
And if you have a problem, swing by and see Dr. Richards at the Ogden Clinic. There's the web address and site right there. Dr. Richards, thanks for joining us. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Happy Thanksgiving.